Hi everyone, George Burnett with Covers and Camo. Check out these seat covers on this 2018 Ram 3500. Matches this silver truck incredibly well. This is Kryptek Raid. The pattern, I think, looks so good on this truck. Check out some of these features. The way this fits around this bolster right here, multiple pieces so that it rolls so nicely here. This has 3/8 of an inch of fire retardant foam backing all this material. This is a poly nylon material that's super good and tough, and you'll see it kind of quilts. It looks more like a fitted seat here. It fits so nicely over the top here. The pockets on the front are the molly pocket on the front here, a pistol pocket over here, a pistol holster right here beside me right here. The back side of the seats have got the ops package for 8 total pockets, guns and gear back there. The back seat we've got with all the headrests, the armrest that folds down. It's a great set. Check it out at coversandcamo.com.